Hi, this is Derek from Boise Cylinder Head Services. Today we're going over. We're going to be welding a cylinder head today, a Volvo cylinder head with a couple of corrosion points from coolant. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this thing in the wash, warm it up. We're going to take it to the back, and we're going to TIG weld it, Healy arc weld it. This is the problems that we have right here. There's a couple big pits right here that our customer really doesn't like, and we're gonna grind it out, weld it up, and get it looking sweet. We'll end up resurfacing this whole thing, resurfacing the weld off, and get this thing so that it's not gonna have a chance to leak. So we're gonna put it in the wash here, warm it up a little bit, get the oil off, and then we'll take it back and weld it. We got it at like 120 degrees, so that'll kind of get it a little warmed up. If you have too much of a heat transition when you're welding it, it could crack the cylinder head from where it's too hot and too cold. It'll create a crack there. So we need it at a certain temperature at least to start, so that we don't have any of those type of issues while welding it. It'll just take a couple minutes here to get this thing up to temp. But our customer came in and he had these corrosion spots right there that he's really concerned about causing a leak. So we're gonna fix that problem. Honestly, with something this old, we'd probably want to do a whole valve job, regrind the valves, glass bead, clean it up, and that'd give us proper contact for a weld here. But we're kind of just doing what the customer wants and just fixing the problem. At hand here. So we're gonna pull this thing out. It's probably good and warm now. The oil's rinsed off of it, and we'll weld it up. Oh yeah, it's hot. So I'm gonna blow some of the moisture off, but I don't want to blow too much on it because it's gonna cool down the temperature of the head. That should do it. All right, we're gonna take it back and weld it up.
You found a hose or a T or something broken with that?
Oh,
yeah, they did fix it here.
All right, I gotta get our grinding tool so we can grind a little hole out in this thing. They've changed it around in here. Where's all the tools? All right, so we found the tool I was looking for. It's a little carbide bit here. We're gonna just take a few pieces out of that aluminum, clean out any. All right, well, that took a little more than I was hoping for, but now we're all cleaned up. I'm just going to click on the machine. We can get started welding this thing. We got our aluminum rod here, gloves, helmet. Should be everything we need. All right, I'm gonna warm it up a little bit with this, melt everything down into a liquid before I get started, and then we'll start adding metal. Make sure your gas is turned on, proper level there. Alrighty, it's gonna get kind of bright.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away. 'cause you feel. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Cause I don't need saving, it's everything I've been chasing. All here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
You are not as tough as
I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got heart, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots.
you are not as tough as.
Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me.
So that could have been a little prettier, but it turned out pretty sweet. I'm going to flip it over so that the heat kind of draws out of the cylinder head into the table a little bit. Keep that heat transition down to a minimum. So the next step here is to flatten it out a little bit, and then we're going to take it over to our resurfacer, put a nice finish on it, and then all those bits should be out. It should be a nice mirror finish, and we'll have no more issues with that leaking out there. So we'll be doing that later today or in our next video. Yeah, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit that like button and that bell notification if you want all our notifications. And yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day. And remember, it's all in your head. Hi, this is Derek with Boise Cylinder Head Services. Today we're continuing on with this Volvo resurface job. We welded it over here, and now we're just going to resurface this off. I got it in our Comex RP 900 MVA resurfacer, and it's leveled out, clamped in, everything's tight. We got our safety glasses on, so now we're just going to turn this thing on and knock that weld off. It might take a couple swipes, but we're going to...
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Touch this hole up a little bit because there is some flakes of aluminum that we can get out of there. Pretty it up a little bit. But yeah, that's pretty much all we got for this cylinder head. Sweet weld job. Turned out pretty great. All right. Well, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and hit that like button and that bell notification button as well if you want notifications for all our videos. This was our weld job for the day, and thank you for watching. Remember, it's all in your head.